Hi, it's Mike again. Welcome to another how-to video. A couple weeks ago I went down the YouTube wormhole like most people do, and I discovered Daniel Schiffer's $40 cake pan light. I thought, that's a pretty cool light. I'm gonna make myself one. So I went out and I got myself a 14-inch cake pan and the LED light strip which he recommended, and I'm gonna give it a shot. To make mine a little bit more versatile, I'm gonna do a couple mods to it. So follow along and I'll show you what I did, and hopefully this will inspire you, like Daniel did for me, to build a light for yourself. So we have a 14-inch cake pan with 2-inch walls. These are a little tricky to find. You don't usually find these this big in the local stores, but I was fortunate to find mine in Michael's. They only had a couple on the shelf. And then the LED light strip. So these is daylight white and they're 12 volts. And with that, we'll have our 12-volt adapter. I had this kicking around, so that's a freebie for me. Mod number 1 is actually a GoPro mount. So I'm going to use a GoPro mount to fasten this onto a tripod or to a wall. So I have a tripod mount for it. And then I have a suction cup mount for it as well. So makes it way more versatile for me. Mod number 2 is a switch. So what I'm going to do is have a half power switch. So these LED light strips, you can actually cut and break them and put in a wire, so I'll be able to go full power or half power just by flicking the switch. So that makes it a little bit more versatile. And of course some hookup wire for that. And then some diffuser. You can use almost any diffuser. This is proper diffuser I got from Amazon, but you could use a bed sheet or even a shower curtain from the dollar store. And to hold that diffuser, I have some zap straps. So that's about it. So let's get building. We'll use a grommet to help protect the cables. So what we're going to do here is peel back the tape and put this all the way around the walls of this pan. And we're going to use the entire roll. We're not going to cut this. We're going to use the entire roll. The only time I'm going to cut it is halfway through for my half power switch. It's all done. Test number 1. Cool. Now time to wire up the half power switch. So I use an X-Acto knife and I just cut a little strip on the positive side, and I just ran 2 little jumpers there, soldered that in. Really easy. Let's try it out. Half power, full power. Not much of a difference, but it is noticeable. Put on the GoPro mount now. I'll just put it right on the bottom, so the switch is on top, the power is on the bottom here, so I'll just put it right here. Yeah, I definitely think it needs 2. There we go. Well, now that I got all temporary taped up, we're going to use some zap straps and just go at the beginning there. And we'll go make it long enough to go all the way around. So that zap strap trick worked pretty good. I have it all completed, all wired up, and it's mounting on its stand. So right now I just have the ambient light in my shot from the window in the background there, and the light is not on. So what I'll do is I'll flick the light on, and let the camera balance out here. So the light is about 2 feet away from my face here, and I have a bounce card on this side over here to reflect some of the light over to my other side. And it's on full power right now, so what I'll do is I'll flick the full power switch to half power. So that's around half power. You can see it is a little different. I'll flick it back on again. So there you go. I think having the power switch there on the back adds a little bit extra versatility, and using the GoPro mount allows me to mount it anywhere I want, and a little bit more flexibility in how to direct the light. So I hope that inspires you like Daniel did for me. So once again, thanks for watching.